to show you.
Hey, we came again. I'll just come here. Rose, I hear you want to show something.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a puzzle.
What puzzle? What kind of puzzle is that?
The puzzle is 1,000 piece.
1,000 piece jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a giant jigsaw puzzle. What they call it? Is a giant jigsaw puzzle or super jigsaw puzzle? I don't know. 1,000 piece. So many. Who can arrange and solve it completely? You can? I think you can. How long does it take?
I think 12.
Okay, let me first bring it. Just, we received the parcel we had ordered. It came from a long, long way. Okay, I'm not going to tell you from where, but it came from a special place. Wow. This is the one. As you see here, has written puzzle 1,000 piece. No. So since it was a very long way, it has not come in a very good shape. But I hope the inside is good. Wow! How many pieces? 1,000 pieces. Yeah, we don't know the size when we will finish. That's why still I don't know this table is good enough for this size or not, but I hope the size is big enough to cater all these pieces.
I want these.
Okay, we are going to put them here. I think this is a good entertainment, and in these days all we are at home. This is what it called, something that a family can
day.
spend time. Yeah. Okay. 1,000 piece.
One of them was my child. It was not 1,000.
How many it was? You mean 1,000 minus 1? How many?
And the 1,000 is come to, I think,
999.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, just one thing. Now it's about 15 minutes after 14 April. KL time. KL, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay? So we are going to start this one on this date and time I mentioned, and gradually we will try to complete it. I don't know we can complete it or not, but we will try. And we don't know how long does it take, maybe so many days or even many weeks, right?
Right.
And we are not going to completely engage to this one. We have many things to do. So whenever we are tired or the family members, we are gathering here to do something, or what it called, we want to have some entertainment,
fun.
and fun.
With the puzzles.
We will spend some time with these puzzles, and we will try to record daily base, or I don't know, maybe some hourly base, and report it. Okay, you would wanna add something?
No.
No? Okay, Rose the Great here, and this is Matt. See you later for the rest of the things we are going to do with these jigsaw puzzles. Bye-bye.
Bye.